The National Security Council of the White House is working on an ambitious project to increase consumer Internet of Things, or IoT, security through industry-standard labeling. If successful, the labeling system will replace existing global frameworks. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. This initiative could not come at a better time as threats against Internet-connected devices are on the rise. Just last month, there was a spate of swatting incidents that were broadcast over the Internet via hijacked Ring cameras. The IoT labeling program is based on the Energy Star labeling program, which is run by the Environmental Protection Agency. Its goal is to educate and inform consumers and give companies a compelling reason to make products that are safer. The White House and the European Union are working together to harmonize labeling standards so that they can be used everywhere. Carnegie Mellon University developed 47 key factors for privacy and security in collaboration with 22 organizations and actual consumers as a precursor to the White House's initiative. They concluded that the essential information should be prominently displayed on the packaging of each device, along with a QR code that links to additional information and a URL for accessing the company's privacy statement. The desired security information for the label can be broken down into 5 categories: security updates, access control, sensor types, data storage locations, and data sharing. The government intends to launch the program in the spring of 2023. This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.